Hey YouTube! We're on a 6-day Caribbean cruise and we couldn't be more excited to share our journey with you. Today, we're splashing around in Costa Maya and exploring the vibrant streets of Belize City, including a quick stop at a rum museum. Back on board, we'll let you know how we got invited to a private party. So come along as we continue the fun aboard Carnival Dream. It's day 3. We are up. I was out late at the casino with my auntie. We won a little bit of money. Everybody left me. It's okay. They already head up to Dr. Seuss. They took DJ to see Dr. Seuss. We're docking in Costa Maya today at 1 o'clock, and then I think we're leaving at 7:30. So we have plenty of time in Costa Maya. We don't have any excursions planned, so most likely we'll just get off and go see the port and then come back and enjoy the ship.
So, hey, you know we had ESPN.
What?
My phone charged, Lizzie? Oh, no, it's not.
DJ, did you enjoy Dr. Seuss?
I'll tape some stuff.
Good.
He was.
Lizzie, take a picture of my phone.
I'm doing a shot. Oh, you can see the coastline. We're almost there. Look how blue the water looks. Who is this? So we decided to go to a beach on Costa Maya. Let's go see. Have some fun.
We are getting off of the boats in Costa Maya. We are here. All right. First stop, Liz, the hat probably is gonna fly off.
Y'all do YouTube? Yeah.
We all are here.
Alright, we're about to go to the beach. I don't know what beach.
I give my little man an hour. He coming back. He's sleeping.
But at least we have this if he wants to sleep in here. He can.
Yeah.
Get stroller people. Okay, we made it to the port. Costa Maya is so pretty. We decided to actually stay in port. They have this swim-up bar. They have a pool, lounge chairs. So cute. We ended up not even going to the beach because we waited to let you kind of get off. So we decided just to come to the beach right here. And we actually had fun. Had a swim-up bar, plenty of lounge chairs. Pretty good. Good morning from Belize. It's day 4, DJ. So we're getting DJ ready. We already went downstairs with my mom and dad to get a tender ticket to tell us what time we can get off. and take the boat over to the land, the mainland. So in Belize, you don't actually go into the port like all the other ports. You have to actually kind of anchor out in the water, and they come get you on a boat and take you over. So that's what we're gonna do. We gave ourselves like an hour and a half. We're gonna get on like at 9:30. So let's finish getting this little one together, and I have to get dressed, and then we're gonna go get something to eat, and then we're gonna get on.
To Belize. I'm at the port. It's about a 20-minute ride. My advice is to leave as soon as you can so you don't have to wait. So you have time to do things.
Hello from Belize. So we were walking around the port, and there's a lot of people, you know, locals asking you if you want to book a tour and all that kind of stuff for their company. But we actually decided to go with this man. He told us he can get us on a city tour for a pretty good price. So that's what we're doing now. We're following him to the station. So we ended up booking a city tour for $25 per person. And one of the stops is a rum factory. So that should be good. I paid $25 for them to come to sleep. Alright, we made our first stop. We're stopping at a rum factory. So we get to do some rum tasting, and little one just woke up. No rum for you, though. No rum for you. Okay, Brie, let's try it. No.
One of the favorite for the ladies, the rum cream.
I want to try the rum cream.
That coconut one was good. You want to try that one?
What is this? Rum tour. We have to Belize.
Rum was good. The rum was good. I'm going to get some.
You gonna buy some?
Yeah. Love rum. That coconut one was real good. You mix it with pineapple juice? Absolutely. Yes. Malibu who?
Back on the bus. Nana.
Hi.
Yeah, we're trying this soul food place down the street from the port, from Belize. Food is really good. Got oxtails, plantains. Here's the menu. I don't know what the place is called, but it's pretty good. See, here it is right here, the prices. Food is really good. Got some soul behind it. My son eating some red beans and rice. Mommy feeding him.
Nice meeting y'all.
Thank you. Nice meeting you too. We about to go ride some rides. Drink. I don't know if you know, but babies cannot get in the waterworks area with diapers on. So either take the diaper off, and that includes swim diapers. You can't have a swim diaper on either. So yeah, either take it off if you trust the baby, or you might have to wait till they get a little older and they're potty trained. You ready? Go, DJ! Wow! This is about to go down the slide. So because there's so many of us on the ship, we get to have a private cocktail party. So it's actually at 5:30. So we just put on our tutus. Everybody's wearing tutus tonight. And we're gonna go get our free hour of drinks. All right, where we about to go?
Caliente.
Club Caliente?
Cocktail party.
Yes. We got,
We have more than 18 booked, right?
yeah,
Because we're going to a free cocktail party.
free cocktail party for an hour, right?
For an hour.
Yes, and y'all see, no baby. Drop the baby off with Nana. 5.
Right?
Where you drinking? Where you drinking? Where you drinking? Yay! Where you drinking?
It's gone.
Every time we come on a cruise, we try this. This is your year, baby. This your time.
What you supposed to do?
Kiss, 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 and you will give each other a big smooch, and the point will be yours. If the answers don't match, the audience is gonna say, "Arr," and it's very sad, okay? We gotta practice the 3, 2, 1. Arr. So we don't want that, okay? The goal is to match. Friends, it's time to play the Love and Marriage Show. Give them a round of applause. Question number 1. In the room, stand up right now and hold your loved one tight. We got a song to play for you. Come on. Come on, stand.
Okay, Love and Marriage Show was hilarious. We had a good time with that. But it's time to have fun. That means mommy and daddy need our alone time so we can go have adult fun in the nightclub, at the Alchemy Bar. So you know what time is, Dave?
Baby drop off time.
Baby drop off time. We got the baby washed, cleaned up, all that. Drop him off with the